if you guessed C, you got it right. So let's break down what's going on. So first we have the print function, and this displays an output. And then we have the type function, which tells Python to show the data type of the value. So this means we're telling Python to print the data type of 57.26. So when we run this, Python tells us that it's a float, and this is short for floating point number. And all this means is that the number has a decimal point. So what would happen if we were to remove the decimals and just use the number 57? You can see here that the data type has now become an integer, and this is because it's a whole number without any decimal points. So remember, when working with data types, a float has decimal points and an integer is a whole number without a decimal point. So did you get this one right? Let me know in the comments. And while you're here, I want to get to know you all better, so let me know what inspired you to start learning Python.